Are you looking to boost sales in today's market? Well, you're at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to outline everything that I think you should do in order to boost your sales in today's market utilizing Pinterest. Hello, if you don't know me, welcome to the Kordial Media YouTube channel. My name is Adriana and I help Shopify e-commerce businesses and content creators drive traffic and sales utilizing Pinterest. I cannot wait to outline all the steps that we take to boost our clients' revenue in today's market. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. All right, there are a couple things in particular that we've been doing for our clients this year that has really been moving the needle for them through their Pinterest ads. The first thing being utilizing the catalog sales campaigns. I don't think there's one client of ours right now that we're not running this campaign type for, and for good reason. We've been seeing really good direct ROI from these campaigns, even on last click metrics. And so we've been pushing most of the budget, most of our ad budget to these campaigns in order to make sure that we're generating revenue for this client. There's something about the way that the algorithm works with the catalog campaigns, or the way that Pinterest has set them up in order to drive those sales for advertisers. But whatever the case may be, we've been seeing really good success with them, and we suggest that you utilize them as well. Some of the elements that we include in our catalog campaign are particularly shopping ads. We find that they do very, very well. Collection ads can do very well as well. And we also make sure to allocate an appropriate amount of budget to these campaigns to ensure that they have enough budget to really move the needle and drive that revenue. We really don't launch a catalog campaign under $50, and at most we've spent above $2,000 a day on catalog campaigns to really make sure that the client is winning in the auction. Something else that we've noticed with Pinterest this year is that you're able to generate pretty high quality leads to an email list directly from Pinterest conversion campaigns. We tested consideration campaigns for lead generation as well as conversion campaigns and have concluded that the quality of the lead is much higher when they come from a conversion campaign than when they come from a consideration campaign. The reason why is because the algorithm through a conversion campaign is optimizing for conversions. So if they're likely to convert even as a lead, then they're more likely to also convert as a sale down the line. Adding leads at an affordable price, they're also quite affordable. We've been generating conversion campaign leads for under $8 for about a few months. As I'm filming this right now, we're in the thick of Black Friday month. And so come January, we're expecting that price per lead to drop even further, and therefore making, customer acquisition even cheaper down the line. The next thing that we've noticed and that we've been testing for our clients to boost sales with Pinterest this year has been utilizing lifestyle images and videos with no text overlay. Simply showcasing your product in a beautifully aesthetic way has really helped drive conversions for pinners. We think it's because the ad looks so seamless within the feed that it barely seems like an ad, for one. For two, the pinner is a lot more likely to save to their board something that's aesthetically pleasing without crazy text overlay. And third of all, they're also able to come back to their board to look at your ad and then to check out at a later date. So the combination of videos and images being lifestyle focused has really helped convince the pinner and get the pinner over the edge to make a few more purchases. The next thing that we've been experimenting with has been adding a promotion directly on the ad. Now, Pinterest allows a few ad accounts. They're still in beta, but eventually I think this will be released to all ad accounts, where you can add a percentage or like a discount or a discount code directly on your catalog ad. So anytime a catalog ad gets served to a pinner, they're able to see, for example, up to 65% off, up to 20% off, utilize discount code Friday for 15% off. That helps obviously push the pinner over the edge to make a purchase because there's urgency and they feel as though they're more obligated to purchase when it's a cheaper price. Hopefully we're going to see this beta get released to all ad accounts over the next few months because we've really been seeing a boost in conversions as a result of adding those promotions. If you don't currently have the promotions beta, you're able to always add that kind of text overlay on any ad that you're launching in a conversion campaign in order to kind of mimic that test and see whether or not that works for your campaigns in your ad account. If you'd like a second pair of eyes on your consideration campaigns, conversion campaigns, or catalog Pinterest campaigns, feel free to book a meeting with me in the description box below. I would love to help guide and audit any ad account that you may be working on in order to help improve your revenue and your conversions. It's totally free. You and I chat for about an hour and we see if there's potentially even a fit to work together. That concludes all the ways that we're helping our clients boost sales in this difficult market right now, utilizing Pinterest. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in today's video, feel free to write it in a comment box below. And with that, I'm going to wish you a lovely rest of your day and we will chat in the next video. Bye for now.